to today's English learning session. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn useful vocabulary words, practice speaking activities, and improve your writing skills. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident in English. So grab a notebook, stay focused, and let's begin. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of English. Today we will learn 10 powerful words. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and write each word in your notebook. 1. Essential meaning, very important. Example, water is essential for life. Repeat, essential. 2. Curious meaning, wanting to know. Example, I'm curious about space. Repeat, curious. 3. Confident meaning, sure about yourself. Example, she is confident in her answer. Repeat, confident. 4. Express meaning, to say or show. Example, he can express ideas clearly. Repeat, express. 5. Improve meaning, to make better. Example, practice will improve your skills. Repeat, improve. 6. Opportunity meaning, a chance. Example, this job is a great opportunity. Repeat, opportunity. 7. Achieve meaning, to reach a goal. Example, he achieved success after hard work. Repeat, achieve. 8. Creative meaning, using imagination. Example, she is very creative in art. Repeat, creative. 9. Focus meaning, to concentrate. Example, you need to focus on studies. Repeat, focus. 10. Success meaning, reaching your goals. Example, hard work brings success. Repeat, success. Now pause for a moment. Choose 3 of these words and make your own sentences. Speak them aloud. Speaking. Now let's practice speaking. Remember, speaking is not about being perfect. It is about confidence, clarity, and practice. Activity 1. Self-introduction. Repeat after me. My name is Say your name. I am from your city. I like your hobby. My goal is to improve my English. Say it once slowly. Now, say it again more confidently. Activity 2. Short topic speaking. Topic, my favorite food. Listen to my example. My favorite food is pizza. I like it because it tastes delicious. I usually eat it with my friends on weekends. Now it's your turn. Speak for 1 minute about your favorite food. Activity 3. Role play. Imagine you are in a shop. Repeat after me. A. Hello, how much is this? B. It's 200 rupees. A. Okay, I will take it. Thank you. Now switch roles and say it again. Writing. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improve grammar. Activity 1. Daily journal. Example. Today I studied English. I learned new words. I practiced speaking. I feel happy with my progress. Now, write 4 or 5 lines about your own day. Activity 2. Connectors. Let's use words like first, then, because, however, finally. Example. First I woke up. Then I ate breakfast because I was hungry. However, I was late for school. Finally, I reached class. Now write 5 lines about your morning using these connectors. Activity 3. Short paragraph. Topic, my best friend. Example. My best friend is Ria. She is very kind. We study together. She helps me when I have doubts. I enjoy spending time with her. Now, write 5 sentences about your best friend. Great job. Today we learned 10 new vocabulary words, practiced speaking activities, and wrote short passages. If you repeat this every day, your English will improve very quickly. Before we end, let's review. Learn at least 5 new words every day. Speak for at least 2 minutes daily. Write a short journal entry every night. If you follow this routine, you will become fluent. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite new word today. Remember, learn daily, speak daily, write daily. That is the secret to mastering English. See you in the next lesson. Bye.